In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how to remove background in images, okay? If you're a graphics designer or you like working with pictures and images of different type, you can remove the background that comes with the photo to match with what you want to create, okay? So let's get it started. The first step is to open the Paint application, okay? It comes pre-installed in most computers. So I'll click on search. Then I'll type Paint, okay? As it shows up in the search result, just as you can see here, I'll click on it for it to open. As it opens, I expect you already downloaded the image you want to remove its background, okay? So I'll click on File, select Open. Then navigate to where in your PC where you saved the image, okay? In this case, the image is saved in the section in the downloads folder, okay? So and this is the image I want to use. So I'll click on it and then select Open. Now you can see this image has dark background, okay? So I want to remove this dark background so that whenever I'm creating a design, it will be easy for me. The next step you need to take is to click on this. This is remove background icon, okay? Then this background has now been removed. After that, save the image. So click on File, select Save As. Let's go with PNG here. Then give this image a new name. Let's say removed, okay? Then after that, hit the save button. And that's all. So with this, you can go ahead and use this image to create more designs, okay, or any design of your choice. So with these simple steps, we are done. Remove the background that comes with the image. So use this app to remove as many backgrounds you want to, okay, from any picture you have in your PC, okay? But you may not have this feature. It's a new feature integrated by Microsoft. If this feature is not available in your own Paint app, let me tell you what to do. So click on Start, then click on Settings, then go down to Windows Update, okay? Ensure your PC is running Windows 11 operating system, okay? Then here you will see the option check for updates. After the PC checks for any new update, any new Windows update, click on Install. After the installation, the system will prompt you to restart your PC. Once you restart your PC, you will see that feature in your own Paint app. I hope this guide helps. Please, if it does, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. See you some other time.